Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to download any video from Facebook on your mobile phone. And to do this, you just have to copy the video link from here by clicking on these three dots. Copy the video link and go to your browser. It could be any browser, okay? And type getfvid.com and hit enter. And here's the website Facebook video downloader. We just have to paste the video link that we have got from the video and then click on download. And here we go, we are seeing some options. As you can see, download in HD quality, download in normal quality, and convert to MP3. So you want to download it HD, then click on the first one. If you want to download in normal quality, click on the second one. So I'm going to click on normal quality, and here we go, downloading file. And as you can see, it's being downloaded and getting into my gallery. So I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. Thank you very much for watching.